Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple, a popular platform for investing in Canada. But before you jump in and start building your dream portfolio, a crucial question arises: can you actually get your hands on that cash if you need it? Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but with different account types and transfer methods, things can get a little tricky. So, fear not, fellow investors. We're here to clear the air and show you exactly how to withdraw funds from your Wealthsimple account. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, you can absolutely withdraw cash from Wealthsimple. It's your money, after all. But there are a few details to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and speedy transaction. Knowing your account matters. Wealthsimple offers a variety of accounts to suit your investment goals. These include taxable accounts, TFSA, tax-free savings account, and RRSP, registered retirement savings plan. The key difference here is how taxes are applied. Understanding your account type is crucial because it can impact how you withdraw your funds. For example, with a taxable account, what you see is what you get, minus any Wealthsimple fees, of course. However, with a TFSA, withdrawals don't affect your contribution room, which is a fantastic perk. RRSPs, on the other hand, are for retirement savings and come with specific tax implications when withdrawing funds. The wonderful world of withdrawals. So, you've identified your account type and you're ready to cash out. Wealthsimple offers two main withdrawal methods: standard bank transfers and the ever-so-convenient instant debit withdrawal, but with a little catch. Standard bank transfers are the classic option. You'll need to have a linked bank account set up within your Wealthsimple profile. The transfer itself typically takes 1 to 3 business days, so a little patience is required. The good news? There are no withdrawal limits or fees associated with this method. Now, let's talk about instant gratification. Wealthsimple allows you to withdraw cash instantly using a linked debit card, perfect for those times when you need access to your funds right away. There is, however, a fee involved, a 2.5% cut of the total withdrawal amount. So, it's definitely a service best used judiciously. Important considerations: settlement and minimum time frames. Before you hit that withdraw button, there are 2 more things to remember. Firstly, any funds from selling investments need to settle for 1 business day before they become available for withdrawal. This is because trades need to be finalized before the cash hits your account. Secondly, Wealthsimple has a minimum 5 business day holding period for any deposited funds before they can be withdrawn. This is a security measure to prevent fraudulent activity. Cash is king or queen. So, there you have it. Withdrawing cash from Wealthsimple is a straightforward process, as long as you understand your account type, choose the right withdrawal method, and factor in settlement times and minimum holding periods. Remember, Wealthsimple is all about empowering you to take control of your finances. Knowing how to access your cash is a fundamental part of that equation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.